yes, it's combining the best of digital and what nature has to offer in a nutshell. Hey, this is Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to talk about why YouTube Red actually costs less than a wholesale lemon oil from doTERRA and the benefits of YouTube Red. So if you're watching this video, you watch YouTube videos, which is awesome, but how would you like it if you could get uninterrupted music, ad-free videos, and more? Oh snap? Well, that's what YouTube Red is, and some kind of compare it to like Netflix, but for YouTube, but it's a little bit more than that, right? You get uninterrupted music, so you can use the new YouTube Music app with background play and offline access, because a lot of times, when you exit the YouTube app on your phone, the music stops. And so to be able to continuously play that music is a really nice feature. You also get ad-free and offline video, and so you can download music and videos without ads to enjoy when you don't have the internet. And you may be thinking like, why would I need to do that? But if you found a channel, thank you for watching this one, but if you found this channel or another channel helpful and you'd like to have almost like your own personal library that doesn't need internet access, especially if you're like traveling or if Wi-Fi is not available, it's nice to be able to watch that on your phone and kind of have that at any time. So it creates that, again, video library that doesn't require internet. And then lastly, there's original shows on YouTube Red. And so this is kind of where the comparison to Netflix would come in. You can watch YouTube creators take it to the next level in new movies and series that they have. And so that's cool. It's an awesome way for you to like enjoy different types of creators besides myself and really just laugh or be scared or be entertained or excited or whatever kind of genre the movies are. And so YouTube Red is really great if, again, you don't want ads, you want to be able to view your videos, whatever one you want, ad-free, offline, right, not require an internet connection. The same with music, viewing or listening to your music offline, and then view some original shows. And so it gives you actually some more options above and beyond Netflix. It's not just movies or it's not just shows. It's maybe not the same shows that Netflix has all the time, right? But you get to enjoy the creators, right, and what they've done. Lemon oil is actually very amazing. It's about 10 bucks wholesale and helps with detox, cleansing. And the price of all of this is only $9.99 a month. And so for that, you get a lot of value. And that value is similar to a doTERRA lemon oil wholesale, which is about 10 bucks. And that's what's really cool, because lemon oil helps to detox and cleanse your liver and your kidneys, and is very uplifting, and it's great in green smoothies and other drinks like with water. Just make sure you use glass or stainless steel. And so you can use natural solutions. You can learn about natural solutions online on YouTube, or you can get YouTube Red and kind of get a lot more other features and benefits as well. So yes, it's combining the best of digital and what nature has to offer in a nutshell. Alright, well that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and make sure to check out the link below so you can get started with your YouTube Red today, or so you can refer it to somebody who would like that as well. How about that? Alright, we'll see you in the next video.